Barrientos. Out to Jerry again from top of the key. Masyado malakas. Evangelista, hindi nakuha rebound. Pumaren. Lastimos. Ano the Hawkins. Yep. Ravenna inside.
And Ravenna will go to the stripe. Pure Foods hustling more than Alaska here in this quarter. And I think the reason why walang masyadong hustle itong Alaska is because they are afraid to commit fouls. Hawkins foul-plagued as well as Johnny Barrientos.
Dito po sa third quarter, Ravenna is open at the corner. Yes! Triple V by Bong Ravenna. Given a pick by Bong. Hawkins, double teamed. Hawkins. Cariaso is open. Yes.
Cariaso with a hot hand here for Alaska. He has not missed from the field.
Meron pa tayo 7 minutes and 23 seconds to go, third quarter. Bong Hawkins, Zaysa Barrientos. Yes! Ang ganda na pasa ni Bong Hawkins. No post play. Ray Evangelista. He has been attacking the defense of Jojo Lastimosa at low post. Evangelista
shooting over Jojo Lastimosa.
Yup. And he'll play Bong Hawkins despite the fact na medyo binulabog sa Evangelista sa aire. Evangelista picked up by Bong Hawkins. Nilabas kay Jericho Tejera. Oh! Suspense pa, suspense. Jeffrey Cariaso versus Rodney Santos. Binibigyan ng pick to Ponchuino. Open shot for Cariaso. Jeffrey Cariaso now with 13.
Quarter. Ito si Slasher.
Rodney Santos doing what he does best. Rodney Santos. Good evening, Philippines. From the Big Dome in Cubao, Quezon City, we bring you another classic championship game here in the Philippine Basketball Association between Alaska Milk and the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Umpisa po ito ng third quarter. Lamang pa rin ang apat ng Pure Foods, 39-35. There was a near steal by Jeffrey Cariaso, ngunit lumabas po ang bola sa sideline. Ang inyo po mga kaibigan, dito po sa Vintage Sports Panel, ako po si Ed Pixon. Kasama po ang walang kakupas-kupas na si... Ano pa mo? Kinito Henson po. Si Kinito Henson po ang kasama. Ayan po ay kaibigan ko yan.
And to start the second half, nakita natin exchange of turnovers. And that has been the way this game has been played. We have seen one turnover after another. Nakita natin in our halftime analysis, both teams already with 10 turnovers apiece. That also shows you the kind of defense both these teams are playing.
Okay, nakikita po natin ang ating score. Napakababa, 39-35. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Jeffrey Cariaso. Yes! Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Pure Foods at 39-37.
That time, very precise execution. Nakawala si Jeffrey Cariaso. Only his second field goal in 6 attempts. Not a good shooting clip for Jeffrey Cariaso so far.
Jericho Tejera attacking the defense of Ponchuino. Wala. Bong Hawkins with a power rebound. Binigay kay Johnny Barrientos. Barrientos on the run. Naghihintay si Jose Racela. Barrientos! Wala! Edmond Reyes para sa rebound para sa Pure Foods.
Barrientos had to change his shot in mid-air because of that good defense of Olsen Racela. Kanya that ball going outside of the hoop.
Evangelista again challenging the defense of Jojo Lastimosa. He fumbles. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Evangelista naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Down to 2 seconds. Glenn Capasio di makatira. Ayun. Inabot. 24-second buzzer going off against Pure Foods. Moment of hesitation there. Several moments, as a matter of fact, of hesitation.
Magandang matchup yun, ha? Evangelista taking on Jojo Lastimosa and Jericho Tejera alternately.
Johnny Barrientos ngayon. Laban pa rin kay Olsen Racela. Ito na. Barrientos pumihit. Off the glass. Wala pa rin. Edmond Reyes with a big rebound. Binigay kay Olsen.
Barrientos only with 2 points in this game.
Yes.
He certainly needs to step up his offense.
Olsen Racela. Nilabas kay Edmond Reyes. Yes. Sadly, good call. Medyo umangat po yung kaliwang paa ni Edmond Reyes bago siya mag-dribble.
I'm not sure if Edmond Reyes expected to get that pass. Ang buong akala niya siguro ito si Racela would attack the defense of Barrientos, realizing that may instructions si Coach Chot Reyes to attack Johnny Barrientos, who has 3 personal fouls.
2-point lead by Purefoods at 39-37. Jojo Lastimosa, hindi mapasa rin Pochuino. Bong Hawkins runs into Glenn Capasio. Carriazo, top of the key jumper. Yes!
That's 2 in a row for Jeffrey Carriazo from the outside here in the second half.
Carriazo scoring all 4 points for Alaska in this third quarter so far. Hindi pa nakaka-score ang Purefoods dito sa third quarter. Ray Evangelista, kinabas kay Jericho Dinera. Parang cheer ngayon ng mga taga-Alaska. Alaska fans, defense na, defense. Anong defense? Sabi ni Ray Evangelista. Sige, dumifense kayo. Lamang na naman ang dalawa. Ang Purefoods 41-39. Johnny Barrientos. His pass. Nabitawan ni Bong Hawkins, pero nakuha na naman ni Johnny!
Try and try again until you succeed. And Johnny Barrientos finally with a field goal. That's on his 3rd attempt dito sa third quarter.
Tabla po tayo sa 41. 41 all is the count. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the third period. Olsen Racela, right quarter against Johnny Barrientos. No post play. Ray Evangelista! He has been attacking the defense of Jojo Lastimosa at low post. Evangelista now with 14 points in the ball game.
Malaking mismatch yun eh. Evangelista, of course, with the height advantage. He's shooting over Jojo Lastimosa.
Yup. And he'll play Bong Hawkins despite the fact na medyo binulabog sa Evangelista sa aire. Ito na naman sa Evangelista. This time Bong Hawkins will be called for the foul. Teka muna, ano na reklamo ni Coach Chotres? May technical na tatawagan?
Kung ma-technical ito si Chotres, he's out of the ball game because earlier he was already tagged with a technical foul. May technical foul na tatawagan, yes. May second motion kasi si Bong Hawkins after Evangelista drove the baseline. At yun yata ang kinomplain ni Coach Chotres na hindi tinawagan, pero tinawagan din.
Yeah. Also na siya ng mga kaibigan na titira ng technical free throw. Whoop, offline. Medyo kumilya. Samantala si Bong Ravena papasok muli para kay Glenn Capasio sa panig ng Purefoods TJ Hotdogs. Tabla tayo mga kaibigan ha. Tabla 43 todos. At meron pa tayong 7 minutes and 41 seconds to go. Third quarter.
Partner si Glenn Capasio, medyo off.
Not
only medyo, pero talagang off. Yeah, scoreless so far. And Cordillero attempting from the outside.
At si Bong Hawkins. Pang-apat na yan. Pang-apat na ni Bong Hawkins. 4th personal foul for Bong Hawkins. And you see the expression on his face. Medyo inabot niya sa kamay si Jericho Dinera doon sa jump shot na yun.
And that will tell on the aggressiveness of the interior defense of Alaska.
Which is not a good sign for Alaska.
Yes, with Hawkins with 4 personal fouls.
Johnny Barrientos, meron 3.
Yes. At alam naman natin, ito si Bong Hawkins is one of the anchors of the tough interior defense of Alaska.
Oh, definitely.
Nakita din natin in the second period, Purefoods starting to attack the inside and getting a lot of points inside the paint. And I suppose you can expect more of the same here in the third period.
Lamang ng dalawa ang Purefoods, 45-43. Meron pa tayo 7 minutes and 23 seconds to go, third quarter. Bong Hawkins, sa Barrientos! Yes! Ang ganda na pasa ni Bong Hawkins. And the delivery by Johnny.
Yan ang tinatawag natin ang mobility ni Johnny Barrientos. And also you can credit that to fine execution on the part of Alaska as a team.
Jerry Cordillera hindi makasaksak kay Sports Video. Nakita niya si Rivera sa loob. Tinapik palabas ang bola with 6 seconds on the shot clock. Purefoods TJ Hotdogs will inbound from the baseline. Whoops! Ravena ay nag-alangan. Hesitation move by Bong Ravena.
He was up in the air and he thought about that shot.
Nag-iba ang isip niya.
Oh.
So opportunity here for Alaska to get back into the driver's seat. Tabla po tayo sa 45. 6 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in the third period. Pochuino off to Jojo Lastimosa. Being watched by Ray Evangelista. And as Alaska went on motion offense, si Bong Ravena po ay tatawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul. At ang Purefoods po, unang team foul pa lang yan dito sa third quarter.
Napakagandang panuuri ng movement ng Alaska in the half court. Nakita natin there's perpetual motion. Carriazo, Abarientos always moving to get free of their man.
At alam nila kung ano dapat nilang gawin. Poach yun.
Ayun na naman, sinabi natin.
Pero foul.
Yes, may foul ang Pure Foods. And we were just talking about the movement of the Alaska players in the half court. Nag-cut si Jeffrey Carriazo. And there you have the foul.
At yan, Kinito, walang mga incidental dyan na nangyayari. Aral lahat yan. Aral lahat yung mga galaw nila. In other words, may sistema.
Ito nga si Coach Timko, nang tawag ko sa kanya, master of the game. At sa tingin ko, ito si Coach Timko, wala na siguro tatalo in terms of game planning. He has a very scholarly approach to the game. Perhaps the only weakness that he has that he can yield, which is the strength of Coach Chotres, yung ability to adjust during a game, depending on the game situations. Doon magaling si Chotres.
47-45, 2-point lead now by Alaska Milk. Dito po sa ating third quarter.
May pressure in the backcourt.
Abong Ravenna comes out to help. Ravenna, Reyes, Edmund Reyes.
Less than 10 seconds in the shot clock.
Jericho Duñera double teaming goes baseline! And the fishing expedition by Jericho Duñera lands Jeffrey Carriazo's third personal foul. At alam mo, kanina nabanggit ko, Kinito, nagkita kami ni Coach Chotres dun sa golf course. He looked very relaxed at ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, umiscore siya ng 82. Napakagandang score niya para sa golf. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, kung umiscore lang kami ng ganito, mamaya, sabi niya, palagay ko, amin na itong game number 5. Well, so far, medyo
on track, ano? On track.
On track pa yan.
Well, of course, Pure Food scored only 62 points in game number 4, which it lost. Kanya sabi niya siguro, add 20 more points to 62, baka manalo na sila.
Oo. Ito naman, maganda naman ang pinakikita ng mga bata niya. At tabla na naman tayo, mga kaibigan, 47 all. This is our 6th deadlock of the game. At out of bounds play para sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs.
Another turnover here.
Samantala, meron po tayong timeout. Kagaya po ng natin nabanggit kanina, punong-puno po itong Araneta Coliseum. At sulit na sulit naman ang pinunta rito ng ating mga kaibigan na nanonood ng live dito po sa Big Dome sapagkat napakaganda po ng labanang ito. Game number 5, Best of 7 Championship Series between Alaska Milk and the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Going into this ball game, Alaska with a 3-1 advantage. Isa na lang ang kailangan ng Alaska panalunin para makuha nila ang kampiyonato. Pero ayaw pumayag na Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Ray Evangelista now with 16 points in the game.
Partner, nakita ko kanina ito si Ray Evangelista realizing that it was Bong Hawkins who was taking him on from the outside. Kanya nag-drive. Hawkins, as we know, already with 4 personal fouls. Sandali, kaninong bola to? Alaska protesting. And the ball will go to...
Pag-uusapan ni referee Bailey Desma at
yes,
referee Ernie
it will go to Alaska. It will go to Alaska. Yan po ang hatol.
Nanginampalan. 5.5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 2-point lead by Pure Foods, 49-47.
Action has certainly been heated.
Ray Evangelista.
Abarientos drove in. Palagay ko may contact doon pero walang tawag yung referee.
Samantala, ang Pure Foods ang umaatake ngayon. Ray Evangelista picked up by Bong Hawkins. Nilabas kay Jericho Duñera. Oh! Suspense pa, suspense.
A nice kick-out play. But again, Evangelista creating the situation for Jericho Duñera to take the shot from the outside when he drove in.
Ay laki giring Urbucanon da. Johnny Barretos from the outside.
Ito si Coach Tim Cohn is really taking a big gamble, keeping Bong Hawkins inside the game with 4 personal fouls. And you notice now Pure Foods is taking its offense against Bong Hawkins.
Ito naman sila, Stimosa na naman ang pumick up kay Ray Evangelista. Evangelista, dalabas kay Jericho Duñera. Duñera, naghahanap ng papasahan, dalabas kay Dito Pumaren. Pumaren against Abarientos. Out to Jerry again from top of the key. Masyado malakas. Evangelista, hindi nakuha rebound. Pumaren, last Stimosa, the Hawkins. Yep, Ravenna inside!
And Ravenna will go to the stripe. Pure Foods hustling more than Alaska here in this quarter. And I think the reason why walang masyadong hassle itong Alaska is because they are afraid to commit fouls. Hawkins, foul plagued, as well as Johnny Abarrientos.
Ngayon naman, ang tinawagan ng foul ay si Jojo Lastimosa. Pangalawang personal foul niya. Bong Ravenna at the line, misses. At ang Alaska, meron pong 4 na team foul. Pure Foods with 2. Ang ating pong oras na natitira dito sa third quarter, 4 minutes, 16.7 seconds. Lamang ang Pure Foods ngayon ng 3 at 52-49 after that split by Bong Ravenna. Narito si Johnny Abarrientos. Jeffrey Cariaso versus Rodney Santos. Binibigyan ng pick to punch. Winyo, open shot for Cariaso! Jeffrey Cariaso now with 13 in the ball game.
He has found his touch here in the third period. He's going 3 out of 3. He's got 8 points in this quarter. Eto si Slasher!
Rodney Santos doing what he does best. Rodney Santos scoring his 8th point in the ball game.
Now they're attacking the inside. At mukha yatang nare-realize ng Pure Foods that medyo humihina na ang intensity ng inside defense ng Alaska.
At si Jeffrey Cariaso naman, 6 points window. Yun ang play ng Alaska na ikangay, nakakarindi sa kalaban. Yung pasahan na yan sa loob. Bong Hawkins on the scoring end, and it's just a 1-point lead by Pure Foods, 54-53. Rodney Santos versus Jeffrey Cariaso. Santos pa rin nalabas kay Jerry Codinera.
Spread offense ng Pure Foods.
Oo. Ito si Codinera, binigay kay Ravenna. Ravenna, hinarangan ni Bong Hawkins. Inside pass, that was a dangerous pass. 2 seconds on the shot clock! 2 seconds! There's the buzzer. Buzzer setting off on the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs.
But good intention on the part of Pure Foods. They played the spread offense to allow a cut from Dindo Pumaren. They wanted Pumaren to take the shot so he can't attack the defense of Johnny Abarrientos. Of course, that play did not materialize.
Oh.
But good intention just the same.
Remember, folks, if Alaska wins it tonight, then the All-Filipino Conference is over. Isa na lang ang kailangan ng Alaska, pero ang Pure Foods gusto pong magkaroon pa ng pagkakataon dito sa kampyonato. We have a timeout. Magandang gabi po muli, Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Pixon kasama sa Kinito Henson para sa ating paglalaro ng Game 5 sa Championship Series between Alaska Milk and the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Johnny Abarrientos! Mintis! Pumaren para sa rebound. Lamang ang Pure Foods ng isa. 54-53. Dito po sa third quarter. Ravenna is open at the corner! Yes! Triple B by Bong Ravenna! At lamang ng 4. Pure Foods 57-53.
What a timely explosion on the part of Bong Ravenna from the outside.
Cariaso sumaksak sa loob. Blocking foul is going to be called. Beyond Ray Evangelista.
Kanina, yung si Johnny Abarrientos used a high pick set by Bong Hawkins. Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin kanina sa pre-game. But on the Pure Food side, we expected Jerry Codinera to use himself as a decoy to bring out the big men of Alaska. But apparently, there is no need to do that because the big men of Alaska have really not delivered in this game so far. Polado, we have hardly seen him play. Winyo has hardly been effective. In fact, Winyo only has 2 points in this game.
Yes, at si Kevin Rabas nasa bench din yan as you look at Congressman John Osmeña Jr. of Cebu. Maayong gabi, kaninyo tanan diha sa Kabisayan ng Mindanao. Daghang ko nagmahay mga taga-Bohol. Adyaw magmahay. Torpedo sa Ninjo. Oy, wabi kalimot Ninjo diha sa Bohol. Kumusta ka mo diha? Diha sa Bohol, sa Dumaguete, sa Negros, sa Panay, sa Leyte, sa Samar, sa Mindanao. Kumusta po sa buong Pilipinas? Johnny Abarrientos! Magic na bitawan. Pero merong foul na nakita sa referee Ernie De Leon. At sabi ni Dindo Pumaren, huli?
Boy, that's a lucky break for Alaska because Abarrientos had lost the handle. Panurin po natin muli. Behind the back wraparound, trying to keep control of the ball. Tapos, nawala sa kanya yung handle.
Nadulas.
Yun ang foul. Inipit ni Dindo Pumaren si Johnny Abarrientos. He impeded the progress of his movement. Kanya siya natawagan.
Okay, Abarrientos now. Given a pick by Bong Hawkins. Double teamed. Hawkins. Cariaso is open! Yes.
Cariaso with a hot hand here for Alaska. He has not missed from the field dito sa third period. Going 4-4-4.
17 na po ang puntos ni Jeffrey Cariaso. And 12 of those here in the third. Low kick out by Pumaren to Cordillera.
A wise decision on the part of Pumaren. He probably would have been blocked if he attempted that layup.
59-57, 2-point lead by Purefoods. A minute and 17 to go in the third period. Narito ngayon si Jojo Lastimosa. Lastimosa, labang kay Bong Ravena. Nice pirouette. Ngunit meron pang foul na tatawagin. Labang kay Bong Ravena, pangatlo niyan. Alam mo to si Jojo Lastimosa, hindi pa nakakascore dito sa second half. He had 9 points at the end of the first half, 7 in the first quarter, only 2 in the second period.
That's right, a very low beat performance here by Jolas. Incidentally, Alvin Patrimonio has not played a single second because the second half he has been riding the bench, and he did suspect that Patrimonio is still hurting. Glenn Capasio, also not a factor for Purefoods. Both Capasio and Patrimonio have not scored in this game so far.
Despite that, they're in the lead by 1.
FC Patrimonio, incidentally, if I may interrupt,
yes,
still holds the record for active players in terms of consecutive games played with 231. The record is held by Dante Gonzalgo with 280. And that statistic courtesy of Fidel Mangonon and Willie Marshall of our statistical panel.
Okay, at ang ganda naman nung pihit na yon ni Dindo Pumaren on Johnny Abarientos at low post to give Purefoods another 2-point lead at 61-59. Uy, may nahulog na ng lobo. May lobong nahulog. Ano kaya yan? Premonition ba yan? Jojo Lastimosa, left-handed layup. Alam po ninyo, pagka merong championship, ano nangyari dito? Si Rodney Santos.
Holding on to his wrist.
Grimacing.
Good. Yes, he is wincing in pain.
Well, nabanggit po natin kanina, bago matapos yung play na yun, merong bumagsak na lobo. Alam niyo naman pagka championship, may naghahanda po ng lobo yung maaring magkampiyon. Pero eto, si Rodney Santos, mga kaibigan, namimilipit po sa sakit. Ano kaya nangyari dito?
Well, it happened on the side when Jojo Lastimosa took off for that left-handed layup.
Tingnan po natin kung ano nangyari. Ito. Ayun si Rodney, humahabol po kay Jojo Lastimosa. Ayun. Palagay ko yun eh. Yun.
Oo. Kitang-kita yun.
Oo.
He tried to reach in, and we take a look at it from another angle.
Palagay ko sa kamay nga. Anyway, mga kaibigan, of that injury timeout, a full timeout has been charged to the Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs. We'll be back. Okay, mga kaibigan, 40 seconds remaining in the third quarter. At yan, yung balikat ni Rodney Santos, medyo bumukol pala yan kung nakita nitong kasama natin si Ariel. Tapos, tsaka lang daw hinila ni Bong Ravena yon. Okay, Alvin Patrimonio is in the ball game. Wala. Edmond Reyes keeps it alive for Purefoods. Agawan. Nabitawan ni Edmond.
Patrimonio checking in for Rodney Santos with just 40 seconds left here in the quarter. Made an attempt. Hindi pumasok.
61 all. Yan po ang ating score, mga kaibigan. Nakikita po ninyo sa inyong screens. At ang Alaska umatake ngayon. They want to get the lead going into the fourth period. Johnny Abarientos, may dala ng bola. Binigay kay Jojo Lastimosa. Binabatay ni Bong Ravena. Lastimosa sumagsak sa loob. Merong foul na tatawagin at nasa penalty na po ang Purefoods.
Alaska, incidentally, still not yet in the penalty, so they can afford to give up the foul on the last offensive of Purefoods. Purefoods, incidentally, scored only 62 points in game number 4, which it lost. But here in this game, naka-61 na sila. And still a quarter to go.
Meron pa tayo isang buong quarter. Samantala, si Kevin Ramos po at si Ruel Gomez ay pinasok ni Coach Tim Cone. Nilabas muna si Bong Hawkins at gayon din si Jeffrey Carriazo. Lastimosa makes both. At lamang ang Alaska ng dalawa. 63-61. 15 segundos po na nalalabay dito sa third quarter. Narito si Dindo Pumaren. Laban kay Johnny Abarientos. Pumaren pa rin. Nilabas kay Jerry Cordillera. Lumalapit si Jerry. Jerry, punch it up. Wala. Nakuha ni Alvin Patrimonio. Binigay kay Dindo Pumaren. Pumaren. Wala rin. Edmond Reyes trying to kick. Sandali lang. Sabi ng referee. May pito po referee with 2/10 of a second remaining. Kevin Ramos gives up the foul. Well, sabi nga natin, wala pa sa penalty yan. Pero ano ba yun?
It was a shooting foul.
Shooting foul, act of shooting.
And that has greatly disappointed Coach Tim Cone. At kanina nakita natin, he was saying, "Nako, ba't kayo nag-foul act of shooting? We had one foul to give."
Edmond Reyes makes the first. Ray Evangelista comes back. At si Bong Ravena ang kanyang papalitan.
Situational substitution here for Coach Chot Reyes with 2 seconds to go. He wants his #1 defensive player in the game, and that's Ray Evangelista. Also for the possible rebound.
Yeah. 2/10 of a second. Not enough time for Alaska. At tabla tayo. Pagpasok po ng pang-apat na quarter. Umpisa na naman tayo sa umpisa. 63 all. This is a championship game.